There are ways you can host a website for free. All right, so on this video I have made a tutorial step by step on how to host a website for free, so you don't need to pay any hosting, you don't need to have any money saved somewhere before you can start your website business. So watch this video to the end and learn the process I use in hosting a website for a client. So to do that, we are going to make use of Google Drive. All right, so Google Drive is a platform where you can store your information, store your documents. All right, so we are going to use that to host the website for free. All right, a lot of people don't know this, but trust me, I have made a research on this, and we are going to use this tutorial to start hosting a website for free. So let's dive in. Should you use Google Drive? Yes, you can use Google Drive for a static website, not a dynamic one. All right. So if you want to use for a dynamic one, watch this video. Use it to showcase design, text a website, practice coding, host a small project. All right. So save your project folder with the domain name you want to use. Inside your project folder, make sure you have your index.html. All right. So create a Google Drive account. So we are going to drag and drop the folder here. All right. So here you can see now. Let's rename it. So we are going to add www to it. All right. So you can see right now. All right. Get link. So change this to anyone with the link. All right. So done. Click on done. All right. So add your other email so that you will use this email to access it. So I have my own here. So open another type drv.tw, then search for it. Click on host on Google Drive, enter that email you added. All right, click on allow, give it time. All right, so you can see congratulations admin panel. So you can see copy this link and search for the link here. This is our website. All right, this is our website. So you can try follow this step I use in hosting the website. It will work for you. Okay, so please click on the subscribe button so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you won't miss out. Like this video and drop a comment. All right, so now I'm going to type the URL on my browser so we can see with the domain name. All right, so if you want to learn how to get a domain name for yourself, all right, watch this video.